Do you want to start peeling some potatoes? Make sure you get all the bits off. No, all the bits. No, you missed some just there. You're doing too much there. Turn it round a bit. And that bit. Now don't press too hard, you're pressing too hard. Then you're wasting all the potato. What?
Brilliant, brilliant. Get that bit. That's really good, well done.